In a beautiful 1961 jewel blue Corvette with the White Coves blue interior. It has the 283 period correct engine rated at 230 horsepower. The car evidently sustained a thorough restoration. The paint, the interior, the engine, the chrome, everything is in great condition. It runs and drives like it should, and with a automatic transmission, even the missus can drive it. No joke intended. Check out this beautiful example of the bygone times. Now let's go for a ride. Beautiful. All gauges work. Check out the oil pressure. Tach, battery, oil temperature and fuel gauge. Great interior.